Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to remove player from FPL. For that, make sure you already have the application on your phone and you are logged in. Now at this home page at the bottom you can see the option fantasy. You can tap over there. Now at this page beside pick team you can see the option transfers. You need to tap on there. Now you can see your team. This is my team at the moment, and in case if you want to remove a player, you can simply tap on the player that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove Doku. Now we will simply tap at Doku. Now there you can see three options: full profile, replace or remove. Now as we are trying to remove the player, we will simply tap on remove. Now you can see that the Doku has been removed from my team member. This is how easily you can remove player from FPL. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.